Hi, we are going to continue number 4, factors of international growth of the international banking. This one, okay. Information services, okay. Information services is quite important factor, and which urge this international banking to grow further. So we can see over here, it's stated that local firms in a foreign market may be able to obtain more complete information on trade and financial markets in the multinational bank's home nation as compared to the foreign domestic banks. Okay. Sometimes mereka boleh mendapatkan maklumat yang lebih lengkap tentang trade dan juga financial market yang ada okay, di multinational banks home nations, okay, as compared to berbanding dengan foreign domestic bank yang ada di negara mereka sendiri, okay. If we move further to the let's say it's quite tough to obtain the information from the Citibank in Kuala Lumpur. But if we move to their home nation, maybe we can obtain a lot of information regards to the bank itself, to the customers' behavior over there, and so on, right? So information technology really plays a vital role in the growth of an organization. Yes. So nowadays, information technology is very crucial. Adalah vital dan sangat penting, okay? To actually becomes part of the factor that cause the trading and services to grow further, right? No matter what kind of industries that you involve in, so information technology is plays the most vital role, right? Especially in banking sector as well. So in order to maintain their competitive edge, the technology infrastructure of international banks also need to be continuously upgraded. So of course they must upgrade their service from time to time. Okay, from time to time. This is very important. So that whatever that incurred in their banking system, they could actually resolve it rapidly. Okay, especially if they have a good information technology expert, right? So the benefits of technological advancements are, okay, apakah kelebihan technological advancement yang ada untuk international banking? Pertama, extensive network. Okay, so they can create a kind of extensive network towards each other. So this is the modern internet banking that we have nowadays. So apabila kita involve in this IT era, okay, information technology era, of course we are also involved in the global information system. So kita terdedah kepada sistem maklumat yang lebih bersifat global. So we can obtain the informations from US, from London, just over a second, over a minute only, right? So this could actually expand the network towards each other, right? Number second, centralized service desk. Okay, alright, so with an internet connection, for example, centralized service desk will take care of all the tickets raised from all types of devices and entities in different geographical location. Walaupun kita sedang berada di Malaysia, for example, dan our customer is in China or our customers in Vietnam, for example, we can help them if they have a kind of problems to actually log into their account, for example, or whatever that they unmanaged to do. they can all actually just call the customer service, or they can actually, if you have the tickets error pada sistem tu, dia boleh raise the tickets dan sampai ke centralized service desk. So this centralized service desk can be everywhere, can be in the main home country. Is also not a kind of possible. Let's say HSBC in Kuala Lumpur are handling all the services for all the HSBC center in Singapore, in Indonesia, and in Hong Kong, for example. So the centralized service desk is actually located in KL, but they can at the same time manage to tackle all the problems of customers that live in Singapore, Indonesia, or Hong Kong, for example, right? So this is what we call the centralized service desk. Number 3, these technological advancements also can provide comprehensive management information system. So MIS, okay. So students yang involved in ITs, in computer service, already know what does it mean by MIS. It's a kind of a database as well, a very a kind of comprehensive management information system will provide you the rapid informations regards to customers, regards to their systems. Okay, so this can be used for their decision making, to coordinate, control, analysis, and visualization of information in an organisation. So mereka boleh gunakan maklumat-maklumat yang ada ni untuk membuat decision, untuk coordinate dia punya customers, right? To control and analysis. So that's why sometimes they sending you emails to do a survey, something like that. So from this survey as well, they can also make a decision about what are we going to produce. What does customer like for this country? Okay, what are their behavior and so on. So this is, if they have this comprehensive information system, it will be benefit and also good for them to improve their services. Also, these benefits of technological advancement provide mobile alert services to the customer. So customers sometimes can receive push notifications, no matter where they are, right? So no matter if the customers are in mobile, let's say you open an account with HSBC in Kota Baru, so you are traveling to Egypt for studying, for example. But at the same time, whatever happens to your accounts, if someone deposit money or money is being credited from your accounts, you can receive the push notifications regarding the transaction. Okay, but of course nowadays we have internet banking, so you can check on your own via your internet banking account, right? But previously, around in the early 2000, okay, pada tahun awal-awal 2000, 2001 until 2007, something like that, we do not have this kind of internet banking that we have right now, like Maybank to You, kan? CIMB Clicks is not yet being introduced worldwide, okay? So dulu-dulu agak susah untuk kita check transaction, but some of the banks try to alert their customer through SMS, right? Short messaging services dulu, okay, through SMS. But I think HSBC is quite modern. Back in the year 2007, something like that, they already have a kind of thumb drive, looks like a thumb drive gadget, which this customer can use and brought overseas And this gadget, they can actually insert at the HSBC ATMs over there, and they can do transactions. And also they can alert, this gadget also can alert them whatever transactions that happening in their accounts. Okay, itu dululah. But nowadays is easier because we have internet banking, right? So number 5 are the prestige or reputation. So very large multinational banks have high perceived prestige, liquidity, and deposit safety that can be used to attract clients abroad. So on the other hand, reputation can be defined as what is generally said or believed about a person's or a thing's character. So walaupun bank-bank multinational ni mampu untuk taking large deposit, offer and attractive loans to their clients abroad, okay, mereka juga dalam masa yang sama perlu ada reputation yang sangat bagus. Okay, reputation ni sangat penting for them lah. So reputation has a social element, meaning maintaining a good reputation and being able to find someone to vouch untuk menjamin for your good character and remain an important part of the modern life. So very important. Okay, from these 3 banks that I've stated here, okay, which one do you think is the best or the top or the largest banks in the world? Okay, I think you're going to answer this one because we know HSBC better, right? Yeah, it's also famous in Malaysia, kan, right? Bank of America, maybe some of you answer this one. Bank of America. Do you know what is mean by this MUFG? MUFG. Yes, it's the one of the largest bank from Japan. M stated for, if I'm telling you, you will know this company, Mitsubishi. Right, M stated for Mitsubishi. Okay, so this Mitsubishi Group ni, dia ada bank yang sangat besar di Japan. Okay, but I'm going to introduce you to the top largest bank in the world. This bank is actually not HSBC, not Bank of America, not Deutsche Bank. No, this one, ICBC. Yes, ICBC. This ICBC is the one of the most highly and top banks on the world right now. Okay, so we have their one of their branch in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. We do have it is called Industrial and Commercial Bank of China. Kalau nampak lambang ni, this is actually referring to ICBC. So right now ICBC memang jadilah one of the top bank di dunia. Okay, so reputation also can be built through the consistent adherence to SOP. Betul, bank yang mematuhi SOP yang dah direka adalah kita panggil satu bank yang a kind of good reputation lah, kan. So reputation need not to have any correlation to actual past performance. Walaupun bank tu sebelum ni reputasinya bagus, tak semestinya kita kena follow the past performance. We also take a look on the current performance, right? In commercial transaction, parties may have established history of dealing with leads to form views of other character. Betul. So kita akan deal dengan bank-bank yang kita rasa kita pernah dengar dia ada good reputation dan sebagainya. Like kalau di Malaysia mungkin you akan deal dengan HSBC, right? Because you always heard a kind of good reputation about that bank, right? So I hope one day Malaysian banks also will become like ICBC, will become like HSBC. Okay, manalah tahu kan. Right, so this is number 5 the growing factor also because of prestige or reputation.